exploring the overhead press with steps, examples, and explanations. Please watch the video till the end, as in Section 6, we reveal the advanced techniques of overhead press. The overhead press is a fundamental exercise for building shoulder strength and muscle mass. When performed correctly, it targets the deltoids, triceps, and upper chest muscles. However, incorrect form can lead to shoulder injuries and hinder progress. In this video, we'll discuss the proper mechanics of the overhead press and provide tips for safe and effective execution. Step 1. Understanding the mechanics. Anatomy involved. The primary muscles worked are the deltoids, which have 3 main sections: anterior, medial, and posterior. Supporting muscles include the triceps for arm extension and the upper pectorals. Core and lower back muscles play stabilizing roles. Movement. Description. The movement starts with the barbell resting on the upper chest, just above the collarbone. The lifter lifts the bar up until the arms are fully extended overhead. They should keep the bar path vertical and close to the face to keep the spine aligned. Step 2. Benefits of the overhead press. Strength development. This exercise is crucial for developing shoulder strength, enhancing the stability and capacity of the shoulder girdle. Functional benefits. Improves the ability to perform overhead tasks effortlessly, which can be beneficial in both sports and everyday life. Postural improvements. Regular practice helps strengthen the back and shoulders, potentially improving posture and alleviating issues related to back pain. Step 3. Common mistakes and injury risks. Incorrect grip. A grip that's too wide can place undue stress on the shoulders, while a narrow grip may impede movement. The ideal grip width allows the forearms to stay vertical when viewed from all angles. Poor posture. Arching the back excessively can put significant stress on the spine. It's important to engage the core and maintain a slight natural curve in the lower back. Start with your elbows just in front of the bar to keep your shoulder from straining and allow for a straight upward movement. Step 1. Setting up. Start with a barbell or dumbbell held at shoulder height, with your palms facing forward and your elbows bent. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Engage your core and maintain a straight back. Stand with your feet hip width apart and hold a barbell at shoulder level with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Your elbows should be pointing forward, and your wrists should be straight. Step 2. Pressing motion. Press the weight overhead by extending your arms, keeping your elbows close to your body as you push upward. As you press, slightly lean your head back to allow the bar to pass in front of your face. Continue pressing until your arms are fully extended overhead, with your biceps close to your ears. Inhale and brace your core as you press the barbell overhead. Focus on pushing the weight up in a straight line, avoiding any swinging or arching of your back. Exhale as you lock out your arms at the top of the movement. Step 3. Lowering the weight. Slowly lower the weight back to the starting position, controlling the descent. Keep your elbows close to your body and your wrists straight throughout the movement. Inhale as you slowly lower the barbell back to shoulder level, resisting the pull of gravity. Keep your core tight and your body stable, avoiding any sudden drops or jerky movements. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Arching the lower back. Maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement to prevent strain on the lower back. Flaring the elbows. Keep your elbows close to your body to reduce stress on the shoulder joints. 3. Using momentum. Avoid using leg drive or swinging the weight up, as this can lead to injuries and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Tips for progression. Start with lighter weights and focus on proper form before gradually increasing the load. Incorporate variations such as seated overhead presses, single arm presses, or push presses to target the muscles from different angles. 3. Combine overhead presses with other shoulder exercises like lateral raises and rear delt flies for balance development. Advanced techniques to learn. Push press. Incorporate the push press into developing explosive power. This variation uses a slight knee bend to help propel the weight upward. Variations. Experiment with seated presses to isolate the shoulders more and dumbbell presses to improve unilateral strength and correct imbalances. Remember, the key to successful overhead presses lies in maintaining proper form and gradually progressing the weight. If you experience pain or discomfort, stop the exercise and consult a qualified fitness professional or healthcare provider. Mastering the overhead press will build strong shoulders, improve upper body stability, and functional fitness. Incorporate this exercise into your routine. Focus on technique and watch your shoulders transform.